Your application should grab the attention of the recruiter and leave them wanting to find out more. There is little point sending out loads of poor quality job applications. Instead, find a few firms that you have a strong desire to work for and focus on applying for those. The, the time spent searching the company and preparing answers that are thoughtful, intelligent, and tailored to the specific role will give the recruiter a better insight into your personality and suitability for the position and make your application more memorable. Application forums. There are two types of application forum: application advice and job application. Meaning of job application. Before meaning of job application, you can study some important things. How to make your application stand out? A recruiter will spot lazy, generic answer instantly. So do not be attempt to copy and paste from forum to forum. Employer want to see thoughtful, consider answer that have been tailored to be job and company you are applying for. This will show that you understand and responsibility you will be take on and are confident in your ability to excel in the role. So take some time to prepare before using start filling out the form. Gathering all the information you will need, such as detailed academic achievements or experience or employment history. Research. The company you are applying to, what are their aims and objectives? Have they been in the news recently? Who are their competitors? The company website and social media accounts are good place to start, and if possible talk to someone who already worked there to get real insight to the role. This has the added benefit that they might then remember you when sorting through application forms or mention you to the person responsible for selecting interview candidates. Next, research. Research and then study the job description closely. You you thoroughly understanding the skill and qualities the employer is looking for, keeping come back to these as you fill in the form. Read the instruction carefully. Check how to fill in and submit the form, whether you need any supporting document and when the deadlines is. The application form is your chance to sell yourself, so do not be afraid to shout about your achievement, strength and skill. If you won a award at university or achieved the highest exam grades in the country, put it in your application form. Use every details from your life and experience to your advantages, especially anything that is unique to you, but make sure you keep bringing it back to the context of the role. If you can demonstrate that your experience is both impressive and highly relevant, then you are in a strong position. You also need to explain why you want to this job. Use your research into company to demonstrate your passion and enthusiasm for the role, and explain what you would bring to it if you were appointed. A writing style can also help bringing your application alive. Use varied vocabulary and try to use positive, dynamic words where possible, such as inspired, achieved, transferred, and effective. And take care not to go over the top thoughts. It's go without saying that you should be scrupulous about your spelling and grammar. Finally, keep your answer concise and to the point. Employer may be shifting through numerous applications and they would not have time to wade through rams of text. Rams of text. Even the strongest candidate can put themselves at risk if their most relevant experience is lost among paragraph, paragraph upon paragraph, extolling their main virtues. Focus on answering the question you have been asked clearly and succinctly, honest and accuracy. Never lie on your application form. Intros are designed to probing and are likely to catch you out if you fabricated your answer preciously. For particular careers such as lawyer and accountants and doctors, employees must ex- exceptionally honest and accountable. Any sign of dishonesty will be a looked upon severely. If you are offered the position, you will be required to provide reference and original certificate of your qualification. Make sure your application form is accurate accounts of your life, experience and qualifications. Checking your application. When you have finished filling the form, step away from it for a few hours or ideal overnight. This will allow you to come back to it with fresh eye. When rereading, checking that your answer convey your experience effectively and are fluent, clear and concise. And do not forget to double doubt check spelling and grammar mistake. It's also worth asking someone else to do a final read through for you. They may be able to spot mistake that you have missed or advise you on how to phrase something better. Ask your teachers, tutor, career advisor, or friends or family members for advice. Everyone has valid opinion. Apart from this, so what is meaning of job application? You know the what are the application included. So then what are the job application? A job application form is a form that employer asks job applicants to fill out the learn about their work history. These forms are often completed online, but some business still use paper applications. Learn more about job applications and what to expect when you complete one. The purpose of job application form. What is a job application form? And when is one used? Job application form, that is called employment forms, are part of the forming hiring process companies sometimes use in order to ensure that they have gathered comprehensive, accurate data from all the applicants. These forms often request certain information that is not always included on resumes and CVs, such as professional or personal reference. The name of the former supervisor and or a complete educational background if you decide to submit your resume as a supplement to the job application form. Across check it with your application to ensure there are no discrepancies. When to fill out the job application form? Job seeker use the job application form in tandem with their resumes to apply for position. Many employers make their application forms available whether or not new position are available. In these cases, you are often gagging a general interest, keeping certain name on file for future positions. Searching for a new job is often stressful endeavor as applicants apply to multitude of openings. For best result, however, on final fill out application form for a job that fit your goal and skill sets. Research and business and look for the areas such as their history, motivations and pay rates. If the organization meets all expectations, take the next step and fill out the form. It also recommendation to apply online to positions that are actively seeking applicants. Check online job boards and look for the posting dates. Recent dates often means a newly opened position. Avoid going to business website directly unless you know for sure an open position exists. Types of job applications. If you are looking for a job, how will you apply? It depends on employer. A job application can be complete in several ways. Job application can be two types. One is solicited application and unsolicited applications. So what are solicited application, unsolicited application? Discussed here. So solicited application. When job application is written in response to advertisement given by the employer, it is known as a solicited application. Remember what is solicited application means? When the employer gives the advertisement about the job in the newspaper or advertisement through any way is known as solicited application. That is this application submitted in response to the invitation from the employer. Quibbly and others defined. When one sent a letter knowing that an opening existing in a company, this is called solicited letter of application. In this situation, the applicant knows the required qualifications. Solicited application generally includes the name of the position applied for, reference and date of the source etc. Next, unsolicited applications. Unsolicited job applications is written for unannounced vacancies. Unannounced, not announced vacancies. It is also known as prospecting application. In this situation, the job seeker assumes that any job vacancy may be created in the organization in near future. Quibbly and other defined. When one sends a letter not knowing whether an opening exists in a company, the letter is called an unsolicited application. This type of job application helps the job seeker to tap into the hidden job market. In some cases, the companies create position to hire well qualified person who is on the market. Therefore, is an unsolicited applications. The applicants try to create employers' attention and interest. There are many online job applications which are typically completed at the employer's website, at the hiring KISOK in the store or business, or on mobile device using an app. In some cases, simply submitting the resume and covering letter online will be considered your application. You will not always be required to fill digital application form. Say KPSC. KPSC is once you can register your details, your qualification, and next you can apply any job, just can reference number. You give the just reference number, they can automatically auto updated your qualification, your date of birth, and your what you experience. This is a newly innovation in government job in KPSC, Karnataka Public Service Commission, and also another bodies. In many cases, though, digital application will be required you to input your data directly to their system. So, the online job applications. There are thousands sites whether you can post your resume online and complete an online job application. Sometimes you can apply online on the job sites like monsters.com or indeed.com. Other times you can apply directly on the company's website. So there are major 4 types online application. In personal job application, many companies, especially retail and hospitality employers, expect application to apply in person or at a KISOK in the business. It's not a complicated as applying online, but you will need to be prepared to apply and maybe even interview on the spot. Email job application. When you are using email to apply for job, it's important that all your communication are as professional as they would be if you were mailing proper application. Here advice on how to submit job application via email. Proper job applications. Paper job application. There are paper job application form that fill out if you apply in person for position. See below for the example job application form. Information required on employment application. If you will generally be required to provide your contact information, your work history, including companies worked for, position held, salary and length of the employment, and your educated background. Some companies will also ask to provide reference with your job application. You may also ask to about your availability work. Personal information. The following is a list of the personal information you may ask to provide when you apply for a job. Name, address, city, state, zip code if any, phone number, email address, social security number. State law regarding providing social security numbers vary. Are you eligible to work in the United States? If you are under age 18, do you have employment certificate? Have been convicted of a felon within the last 5 years? So in this way you ask questions. So educated experience. Schools attended, degree, graduates, graduation date. Certifications, skill and qualifications, grade, point average, GPA, extracurricular activities where you held a leadership role, honor societies, employment history, employer, address, phone number, email, supervisor, job title, responsibilities and salary, starting and ending date for employment, month, date, year. It must be mentioned compulsory, starting when you join the company and when you left the company or leave the company. Give the date, month and year of joining and leaving of the or left the job. Reasoning for leaving. Permission to contact the previous employers. Reference. Name. Who will give the reference for you for joining such job. Job title, company, address, phone, email. The job application form. Application contents. The application contains questions designed to help the employer to make a hiring decision. In the sense, they recognize the information the employer typically find or the resume, while also furnishing additional information that can be helpful in making hiring decision. Application content typically including the following: name, address, phone number and other relevant contact information. Position the applicant is seeking within the company. Hours of availability, expected salary, past experience. This will make up the majority of the application form, but it is a common for companies to request a list of all the positions that an applicant has held over the first 3 to 5 years. This section may include a request for supervisor, name and reason for leaving previous position. Education background. This is the typically including schools attended, years attended and degree attended. And other information. This might including questions about the applicant experience with the computer software program and other office equipment, or it might ask the person to describe habits and other interests. This section of applications can be a tricky one for employer, as some questions may be violate legal parameters. A good rule of thumb for small business owners weighing whether to include questions of these types is to always make sure that the response could be pertinent to making a hiring decision. Closing statement. This statement at the end on application usually includes legally worded information for the applicant about the applications. Include permissible use of information containing therein. The employer should mention that they are an equal opportunity employer on the document, and legal experts recommended that employment applications including statement regarding the right of the hiring company to check reference and verify information on the application. The employer should state clearly that falsifying any information on the application can be considered ground dismissal. Signature of applicants. Because there are many other types of information that a company may want to ask on its application, depending upon the business which is designed to the form. It is always advisable to have legal counsel review the form before using its for applicants. The personal information: first name, middle name, last name, street address, city, state, phone number, email. Have you ever applied or worked for? If you please explain. Do you have any friends, relative or acquaintance working for? If the state, name, relationship. If hired, would you have transportation? Are you over age above 18 years? You are under the age of 18 years. Do you have employment or age certificate? If hired, would you be able to present event of your? Have you been convicted of or pleaded no contest to felon within the last 5 years? If the, please describe the crime, state, nature of the crimes, when and where convicted, and the dispositions, final settlement of the case. If hired or willing to submit the controlling substance test. Position and availability. Position: applying for, desired salary. Are you applying for temporary work, regular part-time, regular full-time work? If you mention here what can applied. If applying temporary work, indicate your desired length of employment below. So starting and ending, you must show the starting and ending of the days. If you apply for temporary, say 6 months, say 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, whatever it is. Ending and closing date should be told. And days and hour availability, and days and hours availability, and which day you can availability and what hours you can meet. So you can give the details. Are you available to overtime working? Hire on the what date can we start working? Education, training and experience. School name, school address, school city, school zip, number of year completed, did you graduate, degree or diploma earned, college or university, school name, school address, school city, zip, number of years completed, did you graduate, degree or diploma, vocational school, school name, school address, school cities, and military, batch, rank in military, total years of service. Skill, duties, skill and qualification, license, skill and trains awarded must be mentioned. Employment history, you should have prepared to details each position for the first 5 years and account for any gaps in employment during the last period. If you are currently employed, may contact your current employer. Name of the employer, name of the supervisor, telephone number, business type, address, city, state and zip code. Length of employment including dates, salary or hourly rate or monthly basis pay. Position and duties, reason for leaving, name of the employer, name of the supervisor, telephone number, business type, business, and also these mentioned in the application. May contact employer reference, name of the employer, name of the supervisor, telephone number, business type, address, city, state, length of employment including. These are the given reference also, the reference number, the first and last name, telephone number, email address and address of the reference number, and also city and what are the occupations of such reference person, number of years acquaintant, first and last name, telephone, and the same given the certificate, last give the certificate. I certified that the information contained in this application is true and complete. I understand that false information may be ground for not hiring me or for immediate termination of the employment if I am hired. I authorize the verification of any and all information listed above and make signature and date on the put just. Before starting filling out of application, make list of all the information you needed in order to apply. Have your work history and other information on hand to make it more straightforward process. To get started, review these tips on how to complete an employment application. Pre-employment testing and job application. Some employers may have you take a talent assignment to see if you are strong fit or their organization. If an online test is part of the application, they will provide instructions on how to complete it. Important no application legalities. It is important to know that providing inaccurate information on the application can result in termination of the consideration for hiring. If the employer discover the erroneous data after hiring the individual, it is ground for termination of the employment. In fact, applicant must sign the paper or electronic application to verify that the information they have been provided accurate. So be sure to triple check your application after completion to ensure everything is correct. Make a list. Creating a list of information you needed complete the application will be make it easier to apply. Make match. Be sure that the details including company name and dates of employment you list on the application match your resume. Print a copy. If you are applying in person, print out job application, fill it in. That way you can use your copy a guide for completing the employer application. How do I submit my application form? You will complete the majority of the job application form online. On most employer website, register your details means you can save your work as go, and meaning you do not have to finish the form in one sitting. Typing your answer into Word document before copying and pasting them into the application form is easier than typing directly to the web browser. You will need to doubt check your formatting as you copy and paste. For instance, if you have gone over and word count, the online form may simply cut off the end of your answer. But going about your application this way means you would not risk losing your progress if you are logged in session timeout. Printing the complete application form and read it through before you submit, as it's much easier to spot spelling and grammatical errors on the printed page rather than on screen. Finally, ensure that you have been attached to any request document such as your CV and click submit to send your application. You should receive email confirmation that your form has been received. What happens application successful? If you are struggle get the interview stage, you need to develop an action plan of achievement many goals such as improving your CV, or updating your CV, gaining extra work experience, using social media to job hunt, meeting and connect with new people. These are the successful application for applying the job. So I know how to fill the applications and how to submit the applications. Okay, thank you students.